Okay, so we're going to balance this equation. So I'm going to first start with my metal. So we have aluminum. There's one aluminum on the left side. Notice we have a polyatomic ion, hydroxide. Is it on the other side? No, so we're not going to keep it together. If we look on this side though, we do have sulfate and sulfate. So I'm going to actually keep those together. So SO4, and we have only one sulfate over here. And then we have, for our oxygens, we have 3 here. And this, remember, we will not count because we already took into account sulfate. So we have 3 oxygens over here. Hydrogens, we have 3 here, 2 here, so we have 5 hydrogens. On the other side, aluminum, we have 2. Sulfate, we have 3 sulfates, because the subscript. And then we have 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So I'm going to write oxygen first so it lines up, and then hydrogen was 2. So remember, we're going to use minnow. We're going to balance our metals first, then our ions, then nonmetals, oxygen, and hydrogen. And last, if we have diatomic molecules, we'll do those last. So metals would be aluminum, so I'm going to balance this one out. I'm going to put a 2 here, so this becomes 2. Oxygen now becomes 6. So you have 6 oxygen, and we have 6 hydrogen. Sorry, 6 hydrogen here, plus 2, so we have 8 hydrogen. So now, aluminums are balanced. We go next to sulfates. So I'm going to balance our sulfates. Notice this is a 3, this is a 1. I'm going to put a 3 here. We now have 3 sulfates. 3 times 2 is 6, so we have 6 hydrogens here. And then we have 6 hydrogens here, so we have a total of 12 hydrogens. Now for oxygen is our next one. We have 6 and 1, so I'm going to put a 6 over here. So we now have 6 oxygen, and we have 6 times 2 is 12 hydrogen. We have 2, 3, 6, 12, balanced.